Hi Broncos. Once you've written your script about your history maker and you've gathered 6 to 10 photos of that person, it is time to start making your video. We're going to use canva.com for this to kind of level up the presentation of these videos. So open up Safari on your iPad and you're going to go to canva.com, that's canva.com. And then up in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to sign up, continue with Google, and sign in with your school email account. And that'll give you access to additional features that you wouldn't if you did not sign in. And then you're going to tap on the video category and choose video message. If you don't like any of the templates in video message, you can come back here and choose video, but video message is probably where you're going to find the template that you will like to use. You can see over here all the different categories. Even though these are anniversary, graduation, or birthday templates, you're really just looking for a design that you like, that creates the vibe that you want to create for your significant person. So you can scroll through, try to look for a template that has multiple pages. When you find one that you like, you can tap Apply All Pages. And then you can see these slides over here, or different pages that are created. And what's really cool about Canva is it has preloaded animations and different graphic elements, and then you can just add your photos to it. You can change the color of any of the slides by just tapping on the slide, tapping on the background, and then you can change the color. And you can see it already has loaded here some different colors that I can try out and can use. This one's using an image to create the blue, which is why the black is the color of the background. But depending on your template, you can experiment with changing those different colors. When you're ready to upload your photos, tap Uploads from the menu on the left, tap Upload Media, Photo Library. If it asks you to give permission or access to your photo library, click yes, and then you'll choose the photos of your person from your photo library, and you can tap multiple photos and upload them all at once. I've already uploaded my photos of Martin Luther King Jr., and so to add these to your slide, you just tap on the photo and you can drag it into the area where the photo is at. Then you can tap on the photo, actually double tapped there, and then I can rearrange the photo so it fits within the frame. You can double tap the text to add information about where they were born, when they were born, etc. Once you're done with a slide, you can move the cursor over to the next slide and continue adding more photos. Make sure that your photos match your script. For instance, if you're talking about when the person is young, try to find a photo of when they were young or where they are from. For Martin Luther King Jr., I talked about the bus boycott, so I used that image. I talked about his speeches, his protests, and so I tried to match those photos to the things I was talking about. And so you can see in my example that's posted on Canvas, this video, after you have customized every slide and you have the information and the photos you want on your slides, the last thing to do is to add audio, which is music. So tap that. You can search for different moods or tones up here. So for Martin Luther King Jr., because he was assassinated, I typed sad, and then I kind of listened to these different songs and found one that fit. When you find one that you like, you can tap on it, and it will add it wherever the cursor is. So this was at the beginning, so it added the music at the beginning. You can play it to make sure that it sounds good, and you can also adjust the timing of the slides if you need to as well. When you're satisfied with the video that you've created, tap download. If it comes up with asking you to pay for a pro account, don't do that. You don't need to. You should just be able to download a lower quality version, and the quality is still good enough for what we're doing. So this might take several minutes to download. When that's done, it will pop up with a window that asks you again, are you sure you want to download? That's your iPad this time asking you if you want to download it. You click download, and then that file will be saved in your files. So if you don't have that icon, just search for files, and you'll see it right up here at the top. And so mine is somewhere buried because I've saved a bunch of things since then. Here it is, right here. And so then I tap that. Tap the share button, and then save video, which puts it in your camera roll so that you can import it into iMovie. In iMovie, you want to add your voiceover. So you would import the video into iMovie, and then you can record your voiceover right here. All right, I look forward to seeing your videos.